What's up, guys? We're going to be looking at something I just got, and that's the Maxpedition Fatboy G.T.G. It's a pretty cool pack. It's a sling pack. Got a little padded sling here and strap, which is Velcroed. And then it's got a handle. You can just put it over one side, kind of wear it like a hip pack. It's got this padded inner liner, belt strap, so you can strap that onto your belt to secure it. The way I like wearing it is to put it over one shoulder and then slide it kind of around to your rear so it's behind you. That way when you're walking, your hand isn't colliding with the bag on the side of your hip. This is 800 denier nylon material. It does hold a water bottle, so here I've got a 24-ounce stainless steel Stanley one hand water bottle, and basically you just push this button, opens it up, and you can drink without having to unscrew anything, which is completely awesome. Slides right back in there so you can hydrate one-handed. It's pretty cool. This water bottle is about $14–15 at Walmart. Now it does have this rubber ring on it, but that actually comes off, so if you needed to use this to boil water, you could take that ring off and it'd be all steel. It's got a nice wide mouth on it, so you can probably use fish mouth spreaders on that if you had those. But I think that's a really good water bottle. Fits in here perfectly. And on the side you'll see this shot cord sticking out. That's my cold steel Kiridashi mini tack. I have it like that in case I need to do a little quick release. It's also got a ball chain necklace. And that's an open pocket right here. Has a zipper pocket on the outside flap. I just got some alcohol wipes in there and a dust mask. I don't have this fully loaded yet. In the front pouch, zipper, got some wet wipes, some black wire, more shot cord. This is kind of cool. It's a compass, and then it unfolds and it has magnifying glasses, which basically turn into a set of binoculars. It's pretty cheap. It's an Ozark Trail. Got it for like $5 at Walmart. But since it has a compass, magnifying glass, binoculars, it's multi-purpose. And then I have a mosquito net. I'm not going to get it all out, I'll just put it back in as we talk about it here. In the main pouch, got these cool gloves, Under Armour. Got padding on the knuckles here, sheepskin. Reinforced with leather, and what I like about them is they don't have Velcro or anything. They just kind of have this elastic type material, so you can slide your hand right in and out, and they fit great. And then I have my mag light, which which I've done a review on this before. Got a special covering over it to reduce the size of the beam and protect the lens. And I've got about good 50 feet of 750 cord, which has 11 inner strands in it. And then I have a Camouflage Bandana. This is an extra large bandana. I have a number of the 10Cs in here, probably not all of them. I don't think I have cover, but I've got quite a bit. Cover might actually be the only thing I don't have. So that's the main compartment. There is a concealed carry compartment right in the back here. Zips open, and all I've got in there is my customized SCH-24 from Schrade. Fantastic knife. Beefed up that handle with Ranger bands, tennis racket grip. You can see that just really fills up the hand. Then I made this custom sheath for it. You can hear it clicks into place. It's not the best, but it's just made out of Gorilla Tape and some plastic. Serves its purpose. It won't fit in the Kydex sheath anymore after I modified the handle, so I needed to make a new sheath for it. Then we have another side pouch here, which I have plastic or latex gloves. That could really be for anything medical. Also, if you're skinning animals, I always like to wear gloves so I don't get blood and contaminate myself with that. It makes cleanup a lot easier too. And then I have hand sanitizer. Again, this is more of a sort of EDC type thing, so it's not necessarily pure survival, so just good to have sanitizer in there. That's why I have the wet wipes. Then I have this, which is an Altoids Tin Survival Kit. Got a bunch of aluminum foil, 2 Ranger bands holding it in, camouflage Gorilla Tape, and then inside the tin itself, so we can get in there, got more alcohol wipes, fishing line, a dehydrated towel, a lighter, a candle, a dime. This is some twine and a plastic casing. Got a pin in there, as in like a needle. Super glue, crazy glue, Pepto-Bismol, cotton, some more Gorilla Tape and cotton, a little bit of bank line, a keychain ring, I think I said the candle already, and a needle, which has apparently been bent. So that's what I got in this survival kit. And that is basically it for this one. This is a great bag. I haven't really got a chance to use it too much because it's brand new. It's pretty cheap too for a Maxpedition. It's only like 55 bucks I think I got it for. So I would definitely recommend picking one of these up. You can get them in black, green, olive or tan, and I think you can even get them in digital, some various other color patterns. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate the views. Make sure to comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.